Hello everyone, I have another package from China. This is from Banggood, and let's see what is inside. So it is gonna be three of the same product, so I'm only gonna open one of these for now. And this is this XIAOMI little thermometer, and it's also displaying the humidity. So if you can read Chinese, this might be something that is useful for you, but I don't read Chinese, so nothing on the bottom. Let's try to open it. The box is a little, well, you know, China is far, far away, and you know, post offices are not always handling the packages as you want them to handle it. But the otherwise, it wasn't. I ordered it on the 11th of November, and it is the 23rd of November, so it's arrived pretty quickly compared that it is from China. I mean, considering if it is from China. So here is this little thermometer. So it is tiny, it is really small, but I guess the size, it doesn't really matter here. And there is a little thing that you can just use to stick it somewhere, and it has this little plastic thing. Okay, there is also some Chinese text. If you want to read it or can read it, you can read it. Let's try to pull it out. Okay, it's almost out. Okay, it's out. So this seems to be about right. Okay, so this is just sticking me. This temperature seems to be right. I have no idea about the humidity, but I don't think it is this high, or maybe it is. So yeah. And it's displaying this happy face also. I will try to remove the back of this thing just to show you the battery, what it uses. And I hope I'm not gonna break it. So here is the battery. So it's a CR2032 3-volt battery. But probably, and it's a good thing because I can buy this battery in the neighboring store, and it's pretty cheap. And what else? Yes, I just wanted to see if I can pair it with Mi Home. This temperature seems to be a little high, what it's displaying now, this 21.5. I don't think it's true, and the temperature is rising. Okay, let's turn on Bluetooth. Let's see if it can find it. It's scanning for nearby devices. Okay, it found it. So okay, I agree. So it's pairing via the Bluetooth. I don't know if this thing is gonna display anything differently. This 22, it's not right for sure. Maybe because I'm holding it, I don't know, but I don't have 22 Celsius in my room at this moment for sure. Okay, done. Okay, let me add it to my room next. Okay, the name's gonna be alright. Let's get started. So monitor not connected. Okay, it's displaying the temperature on my phone. So let me just see what it means in practical terms. If I close the app, I open it, it's connecting to the monitor and it displays. So I think this is gonna be pretty convenient, because if it's dark in my room, it's not a problem, because I'm not gonna be able to see it in the dark, but I can check it on my phone. But I'm sure this is not the right temperature, so I don't know why it's displaying this high. I hope it's gonna go back to some believable temperature, because I have about 20 Celsius in my room. And thank you guys for watching. God bless.